In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own tracking tool with Google Sheets. Creating a custom tracker can be a game changer for managing your projects, tasks, or any activities you're keen to monitor. Let's jump right in and walk through these steps together. First, open Google Sheets. It's a powerful and versatile tool, accessible to anyone with a Google account, which makes it an excellent choice for creating a custom tracker. Navigate to sheets.google.com and either open a new spreadsheet or an existing one if you prefer to work from a template. With your Google Sheet open, find cell E5 in the spreadsheet. Click on it. This will be the cell where your calculations will start. If you're new to spreadsheets, remember that columns are labeled with letters and rows with numbers, so E5 will be in column E and row 5. Now, in cell E5, type the formula is D5C5. This formula will calculate the difference between the values in cells D5 and C5. It's a simple subtraction formula, perfect for tracking progress or calculating the remaining tasks. Once you've typed in the formula, hit the Enter key. This action will apply your formula to cell E5, providing you with a result. The next handy tool in Google Sheets is the autofill feature. This lets you extend a formula to adjacent cells without needing to retype it each time. Hover over the small square at the bottom right of the active cell, and when you see a cross, click and drag down to autofill the formula into more cells. This feature is great for saving time and ensuring consistency across your spreadsheet. Once you've used autofill, select the cells you want to apply data validation to. In this case, highlight cells F5 to F8. Data validation is a way to restrict the type of data or the values that users can enter into a cell. To do this, click on the Data menu at the top of the screen and select Data Validation. In the window that pops up, click on Add Rule. Now we'll set specific options for your drop-down list. For option 1, type Completed. This helps specify and standardize the exact terms you want users to select when they update the status of tasks. Next, add your second option by typing In Progress for option 2. Each time you add an option, Google Sheets builds your drop-down list, making task tracking clear and efficient. Click on Add Another Item, and for option 3, type Blocked. This option is vital for identifying tasks that cannot proceed due to issues or dependencies. For option 4, after clicking, add another item again, type Not Started. This ensures a comprehensive tracking tool, accommodating every possible task status. Now, select a fill color for each option. Assign distinct colors to make it visually easy to spot the status of each task. It could be green for completed, yellow for in progress, red for blocked, and blue for not started. Once you've finished adding options, click on Done. This confirms your choices, activating the drop-down menu in your chosen cells. Lastly, go through your tasks and select the status for each one using the drop-downs you've just set up. And there you have it. You've just built a custom tracking tool in Google Sheets that's ready to keep all your tasks organized and easily trackable. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to save your work and share your new tracking tool with your team if needed. Remember, consistency and clarity are key in project management. Happy tracking!